Uh, Today we are going to talk about our topic, that is drugs. Drugs are affecting millions of people worldwide. Drugs, to start, let's define what drugs are. Drugs are substances that, when we taken into body, cause changes in physical or psychological states. They can alter mood, prescription, consciousness, and behavior. Drugs are clarified into legal and illegal categories. Legal drugs include prescription medication and over the counter OTC drugs, which are used to treat various medical conditions. On the other hand, illegal drugs, those substances production, sale, or use is prohibited by law. The purpose and use of drugs in society can be quite varied. While many drugs are used therapeutically to alleviate symptoms or cure diseases, for their psychoactive effects, unfortunately, some drugs abuse leading to addiction and other harmful consciousness. In this presentation, we will explore different type of drugs, their effects, the risks associated with their use, and ways to prevent and treat drug abuse. So, slide 2, types of drugs. So, slide 2, types of drugs. Category: prescription, over the counter, uh, recreational, illegal. Example of category, for example, antibiotics for prescription, ibuprofen for OTC, cannabis for recreational, cocaine for illegal. Let's move on to the different types of drugs broadly. Drugs can be classified into four main categories: prescription drugs, over the counter drugs, recreational drugs, and illegal drugs. Prescription drugs are medication that require a doctor prescription to obtain. For example, include antibiotics like amoxicillin, painkiller like oxydone, and antidepressant like Prozac. These drugs are regulated because they can be potent and have significant side effects if not used properly. Over-the-counter OTC drugs such as ibuprofen and decided community. Slide 3: risk and consequences. Uh, Health risk: addiction, overdose, uh, diseases, uh, consequences, legal consequences, broken relationship, job loss. So let's talk about it. The risk and consequences of drug use can be profound and far-reaching. Health risks are perhaps the most immediate concern. Addiction is a major risk where individual lose control over their drug use and continue despite harmful consequences. Overdose is another critical risk, potentially leading to death. Additionally, certain drugs can increase the risk of uh, contacting disease, particularly those transmitted through needle sharing, such as HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis. Legal consequences of drug use, especially for illegal drugs, can be serve possession, distribution, and manufacturing of controlled substance can result in imprisonment, hefty fines, and permanent criminal record, which can affect future employment and travel opportunities.